अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं सूबा टीवी और मैं हूं अली नवाब। नाज़रीन मेरे साथ एक भाई मौजूद हैं जो यूएसए से आए हैं, तो उनसे बात करते हैं। चलिए अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Malak Shakir Naseem. I'm standing front of PTI Tariq Insaf Prime Minister House in Zamanpark, Lahore. Ladies and gentlemen, our Prime Minister today, I see this disaster time. Really, face to face I see in the car. He's very strong, look like he's much better before them. Okay, I try my speak Urdu because I know speak that much, but I try because the channel person say me speak people no understand English that much. He like to you speak Urdu.
Thank you so much.
Okay, मैंने आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर इमरान खान को अपनी आंखों से देखा है। उसके घर के सामने जमान पार्क में वो पहले से भी स्ट्रॉन्ग और हेल्थी था। मेरा ये पैगाम पूरी कौम को है, उसके लिए दुआ करें डे नाइट। और मिस्टर इमरान खान मुबारक हो, नेक्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर यू, because your whatever you did in this country and this people in your prime minister time, their work is a witness.
आज माशाल्लाह से उनकी जमानत मंजूर हुई है, एक शिकस्त दी है उन्होंने, ठीक है, जो भी उनके मुखालिफ थे। तो इसके बारे में आपके चेहरे पे वो कोई खुशी या वो कोई हल्ला गुल्ला नजर नहीं आ रहा है, इसके पीछे क्या वजह है?
ये आपको मैं कैसे बताऊं, आप मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग चेक करें। मैं आई शो माई फीलिंग, आई एम स्टैंडिंग, दैट्स व्हाई आई कम फ्रॉम मैनी किलोमीटर टू हियर, बिकॉज इनसाइड when you love someone, then you take the action or travel. My feeling, I explained to the public today, first time I see face to face. He is look like more strong, more healthy. God bless you, Imran Khan. You be next president, inshallah. Everybody stay strong, because we know forget Lama Taro Qadri house. Same government, same police, kill lot of people. I appreciate here how many people he protecting because of that Prime Minister Imran Khan. Because of that. Do you know why? Because they're merciless orders. If Supreme Court change, whole country get peace, whole children, everybody get safe. I request again to the Supreme Court and High Court, whatever his case have, the case is a normal Diwani case. In this country he got 20 years, 30 years. Pending the all Imran Khan cases. Until election result no come. I know say, we no request to finish case. Just pending, that is our rights. That's why we standing here for our rights. And we strong for our rights. Assalamu alaikum. Everybody pray. And God bless Pakistan. God bless Imran Khan and his family and everybody. Police, my message to the police, IG, DIG, whatever. Stay away the people. This people is innocent. He's innocent. Don't kill, don't beat these people, don't throw chemical water. Doesn't matter whatever order. He's a Muslim, he's your brothers. Just wait. Order we can change. My message to the available government. My message to the available government. Please, take it easy. Start campaign. Don't send police. Lot of blood, lot of bleeding come. I'm very scared. If the situation stay like that, maybe he turn suicide bomb start. You know why suicide bomb start? Because this country is very popular for suicide. Better government change the mind and start campaign. Legal way. Doesn't matter who win.